how to find blocking settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocking settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down. Here you will find this one here, blocking, and here you will find the blocking settings, and you can add another one to your blocked list. Just click here and type his name here and select it, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.